it is, guys. MrBeast Feastables dark chocolate. I'm a chocoholic, and I will test this chocolate now. I prefer dark chocolate. I hope it's good. Let's look what's the ingredients. Sugar, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa, butter, milk fat, lecithin. This could be a European chocolate, and I would say that they chose these ingredients to be able to produce this bar for the US or North America and the Europe. Let's try it, guys. Okay, when you open something like this, do you do this one here? Do you do this? Or do you try to get this open? I don't think it will work. No. By the way, the branding is of course very nice, very influencer-ish or influencer-esque. Holy shit, I'm now seeing it. This is a 60-gram bar, right? Do you see it? 60 gram. I thought that's a 100-gram bar because we are used to that in Germany, or perhaps all of Europe. 60 gram is not much. I paid $2.25 or $2.30 for it, right? In Germany you would pay for this like 80 cents. But let's try it. All right. Okay, that was me, and the car was very hot. I left it in the car a bit, and Texas heat is just destroying it. So this is how it looks like. It's melting in my hand. That's a good sign. Chocolate should do this. All right. MrBeast chocolate approved. It's not the darkest dark chocolate that I ever had, but I think the 90%, we call it Zartbitter or dark chocolate, you couldn't sell here in America. Americans won't like this. You hear it so often that European people come to America, try the chocolate, and then say it tastes bad. This tastes like European chocolate. It tastes very good chocolate. And I have to recommend it to you. Like when you want to eat chocolate in America, buy MrBeast chocolate. I like the little gamification of the bar that you want to break this, then you eat 2 pieces, then you want to break this, right? Then this, 2 pieces, this. That's nice. I like that. By the way, I bought 2 bars. So these 2 bars were $5, something like that. A little bit less. But I already ate the other one yesterday. And Milk Crunch is good as well. I really, this milk chocolate with rice crunch. And these 2 flavors, they are nice. So when you want to get some and try them, try Milk Crunch and dark chocolate, even though dark chocolate is not for everyone. But these crazy flavors by Americans, I usually don't like them. That's why I stick to those, to the classic one. And I mean, milk chocolate with something in it that's crispy, that's always nice, right? And the rice crispy, rice flour, sugar, salt, that's all ingredients you would have in Europe. So any European or non-American, you can eat this. I don't know if those Feastable bars are in Germany available in Germany. But in case the price is not that high, I would buy them again because they are very expensive. But you're supporting MrBeast with every purchase, right? So are you doing something good when you buy them? Perhaps. You don't know. Thanks for watching, guys and ladies.